10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's Roman Bodnarchuk. Some of you know me from N5R, transformational digital agency I've run for 28 years, 15 countries, 5 continents, $5 billion startups that I helped scale. Again, literally companies that went from 0 to $1 billion in revenue in 1 year. And some of you know me from our 10X AI newsletter. It's a daily newsletter all about AI. Some of you might know me from Strategic AI Coach. It's executive level AI coaching service we have. And some of you just know me from YouTube things that we've put out over the last 15 years. Welcome. Today's a big day. Today's the day I'm going to tell you about the transformation I believe you can make in 1 year with AI. The last decade for most people was the lost decade. There really weren't any crazy technological advancements for the last decade. I mean, the last big one we had was the App Store when the iPhone came out and everybody could create an app. And there's clearly some big winners there. But outside of the apps, there really haven't been a lot of wins in the technology space. But AI changes all that. I've been an AI advocate, started my first AI company 8 years ago, sold that last year. Really, really profoundly have been impacted by ChatGPT. The last 32 months I've gone all in. And last year I sold my other business, which was taking up a lot of my time. And I've just literally devoted my life to becoming my company's AI first and helping great businesses that want to scale 10X to become AI first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to commit the next 30 days for a few people that are ready to really 10X their life. And the way to do that is to make your life AI first and make your business AI first. For those that are interested in really 10Xing every area of their life, it's simple, but not easy. What I mean by simple, it's 5 to 10 minutes every day, applying some AI wisdom and AI knowledge we're going to do together and being consistent about it. Kind of like working out. I mean, it's if you do even 20 minutes a day, every day, consistently over a year, you completely can transform your life forever. Pretty much like anything. With AI, I think it's a 5 or 10 minutes. And I'm going to give you the prompts. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do, which tools. The fun part, most of it's going to be voice. You just have to pick up your phone and just talk to it. So it's really incredible what you can do with AI in 5 or 10 minutes a day. But this is not for everybody. I'm going to hold you accountable. We're creating a group of people, a mastermind group. It's going to be expensive because we don't want losers. And we want to create a powerhouse team that's going to 10X your business, 10X your health, 10X your life, 10X every aspect of your life. Now, most of you that are watching this have not used AI the way you're supposed to. You're using it as a Google search. You've never used voice. You're just literally replacing Google with AI. And this is not what we're talking about. We're talking about transforming every area of your business, every area of your life, becoming AI first. There's going to be 2 types of companies within a year or two. There's going to be the AI first companies and everybody else. The AI first companies are clearly the winners. We're seeing that already. This year alone, 100 unicorns. These are startups worth over $1 billion. You're going to see the first trillionaire happening. You're going to see the first $1 billion company with less than 10 employees. This is real. This is happening right now. But the majority of people are thinking, oh, I don't need to do that. I'm successful in my career. Yeah, that's what the 100,000 really smart people that worked for the Mag 7 companies thought last year till they were laid off. So if the most technologically advanced companies in the world are firing the smartest coders, the smartest programmers on earth, do you really think your job can't be replaced? Do you really think that you've got such powerful skill set that AI can't take your job? Let's get real about this. Your business is under threat. Your entire career is under threat. I'm telling you this because you need to act now. The people that win in this new economy, and there's literally winners and losers, and very few are going to win. This is a winner-take-all scenario. You can learn this in 5 or 10 minutes a day, but you've got to be willing to learn. This is not like, oh, I'm just going to hire some guy. I'm going to hire some AI guy and build a team. No, this is not. MIT just did a study, and they said, why did 95% of the first AI implementations not work? If you read the study, you realize it's humans. It's humans that are not willing to try this, are not willing to go all in. That's the problem. But the humans that are going all in, they're winning massively. The 5% of winners, we're talking about In the last year, $2.7 trillion new economy. This is like the GDP of like most of the countries like on earth. So understand this is a winner take all. And I want to take a group of few people. I've helped 5 companies go from startup to, $1 billion. I think we can do that with really anyone that is willing to go all in. And again, not asking for 5 or 10 hours a week. I'm asking for 5 or 10 minutes a day, but it's going to be an exclusive group. And let me know if you're interested. Message me directly and we'll take it from there. Wishing you all the best in your AI adventure. And this is it. This is the pivoting moment. It's a day you'll never forget the rest of your life. And I look forward to being part of this incredible opportunity with you. Thank you so much. It's Roman Bodnarchuk signing off from N5R.